Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. As usual, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The US dollar is closing yet another week in the red. Investors are encouraged by official announcements of mass vaccination worldwide, so appetite for risk is ruling the markets. Investors believe that the vaccination campaign is going to set the stage for a global economic recovery in the wake of the pandemic. Besides, the US dollar has been weighed down by the ECB policy decisions taken at the meeting yesterday. Expansion of bond buying volumes is certainly bullish for the euro. As a result, the single European currency rebounded to local highs. How long can the euro stay at elevated levels amid positive market sentiment? Is the euro still keeping strong momentum for a further rally? Let's ask our technical analyst Peter Yakimovic. Hi Peter.
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, we got a major breakout of the multi-weeks break, the balancing process, which is in my opinion a very strong confirmation for the further rise. And I do expect rise also on the short and mid-term horizon, so in the next month or two. Again, it was a pretty strong balanced regime for many weeks, more than 15 weeks of the sideways regime. And 2 weeks ago, we got a breakout of that balanced regime. And so far, I see no indication of any reversal, and there is a strong demand for the euro. So basically, my expectation is that euro can trade higher and still continue with this upside trend. So probably the next upside target is set at the price of 1.2400 level, and support is at the 1.2015. So again, watching this weekly time frame, we see the clear picture and strong trend environment and the breakout of the balanced regime that we got previously. So my expectation is for the further rise on the euro dollar.
Now the pound sterling arouses most concerns among investors. Under painstaking Brexit talks, there is a strong likelihood that the UK will leave the EU without a trade deal. The hard Brexit will entail protracted weakness for the sterling. Peter, could you please comment on prospects for the pound-dollar pair? Do technical indicators warn of a slump in the British currency?
On the British pound versus US dollar, it's actually it's not the same picture like on the euro, but we still got overall the daily time frame. We got some balanced regime. The price is trading between the support at 1.3220 and resistance at 1.3450. Currently, the pound is close to this lower boundary of this trading range, and my expectation is that pound can rise towards again that resistance at the 1.3450. So it's in the sideways regime right now in the recent few days, but still trading near the low of that sideways regime with potential to trade higher towards the 1.3450.
Gold has not resumed its bullish trend yet. Do you still maintain your viewpoint that the gold price could climb in the near future?
On the gold, there is a very interesting situation, something that I also said in my previous TV link up, because there is on the weekly big ABC downward potential completion of the ABC correction on the weekly time frame. This is a very big pattern, especially if we see that on the weekly time frame, because it indicates that there is a potential for the strong rise and continuation of the recent uptrend that we got basically on the last few months. So I can easily see the goal to trade towards the 1,960 level. So my expectation for the further upside due to completion of the ABC downside correction on the weekly time frame.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations as always, and see you back next week. You've watched the link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex. We wish you always profitable trading and see you back soon.